2025 Tricycle Camper is turning heads in the world of compact adventure travel, delivering an incredibly unique fusion of mobility, convenience, and minimalist living. Built on a three-wheeled chassis and designed to meet the growing demand for ultra-lightweight and sustainable camping solutions, this futuristic micro-camper redefines what it means to explore the great outdoors. At first glance, the 2025 Tricycle Camper resembles a cross between an electric trike and a streamlined teardrop trailer. Its compact size makes it ideal for urban environments and remote hideaways alike, offering a perfect balance of efficiency and functionality. The frame is constructed from lightweight aluminum alloy with reinforced carbon fiber panels to ensure durability without adding unnecessary bulk. With a curb weight under 300 pounds, this camper is light enough to be pulled by pedal power or powered by a compact electric motor, depending on the configuration selected by the buyer. The electric variant is especially appealing to those looking for an eco-friendly option. Equipped with a 48V lithium-ion battery pack, the Tricycle Camper can achieve a range of up to 60 miles on a single charge, with regenerative braking and solar panel augmentation helping to extend that distance. The solar panels are seamlessly integrated into the roof and side panels, providing up to 300 watts of power to recharge the battery or operate interior electronics. Whether you're navigating tight city streets or gravel forest paths, the tricycle's rear suspension and puncture-resistant tires offer a surprisingly smooth ride. And the modular gearing system on the pedal version ensures that riders can manage steep inclines and long distances without burning out. The tricycle handles with a responsive, almost intuitive ease, thanks to its articulated front steering and low center of gravity, which helps maintain stability even when loaded with gear. Inside, the camper space is compact but well thought out. The rear pod unfolds like a clamshell, revealing a cozy sleeping area that comfortably accommodates one adult or two in a pinch. The mattress is made from high-density memory foam and can be folded up into a seat bench when not in use. Storage is integrated into every possible nook and cranny, under the seat, inside compartments, and even in the walls. There's a compact folding table that can be mounted inside or outside, and USB ports powered by the solar battery let you charge your phone or run small electronics. Ambient LED lighting creates a warm atmosphere, and small mesh windows with zippered privacy covers offer both ventilation and seclusion. The build materials are waterproof and mildew-resistant,